Hi there, boys and girls. Today's story comes from Rosa Ann Scott. Stories for Boys and Girls, The Adventures of Robert and Ruth. And today's story is titled Respect All Animals. Once upon a time, Mother sat down on the back porch to read her favorite magazine. From the back porch, Mother could see Robert and Ruth walking towards the neighbor's house, where Kelly, Frank, and Cindy lived. The neighbors called the children the KFC crew. Robert looked like his sister Ruth, and Ruth looked like her brother Robert, and they were twins. Mother finished reading her magazine and closed her eyes to take a nap when she heard a commotion. It was Robert and Ruth sprinting towards the house. Robert arrived on the porch first. "Please say yes, Mommy. Please say yes, Mommy," he said, panting for breath. Before Mother could have a chance to answer, Ruth said, "I like cows. Isn't a bull a cow, Mommy?" Mother looked at them both and smiled. She said, "Let's start at the beginning. What is this commotion all about?" Robert said, "The KFC crew went to Mexico for vacation and they went to a bullfight. They have it on video. Their mom says that we have to get permission before we can see it. So can we watch it, Mommy? Please say yes, Mommy." Mother said, "What does God have to say about it?" Ruth made a face. "God, Mommy? God wasn't in Mexico." Mother said, "God is always everywhere at the same time." Ruth said, "Wow! Is that why Jesus can see all the children in the world at the same time?" Mother smiled and said, "Yes, Ruth, that's why God can see all the children of the world at the same time." Mother continued speaking. Mother said, "During a bullfight, the bullfighter upsets the bull by throwing darts at the bull. And sometimes at the end of each bullfight, the bull dies. So Robert and Ruth, remember, the bull is a wonderful creature, and we're supposed to take care of God's creatures." Robert took a deep breath and opened his eyes wide. He said, "I didn't know that sometimes the bull dies at the end of each bullfight." Mother said, "The commandment says, 'Thou shalt not kill.' Do you think Jesus wants us to sit around eating popcorn and laughing as one of his creatures is killed?" Ruth said, "I don't think Jesus likes that one bit, and I don't like it either." They all agreed that they didn't like that one bit. The end. Let's